All right, boys, I think it's finally time to do the thing that I'm most nervous to do on the STi, and that is all the body work. Quite honestly, this body is pretty hammered. As you can see, yesterday we started kind of just messing around with the new Palm DA sander just to test it out, see how it felt. So we are going to be respraying the hood. As you can see right there, it's pretty beat up on the edges. We got to straighten that out. We're going to Bondo it up, probably throw some primer on there, get it nice and brand new looking again. We need to repaint the roof vane as well as this wing right here. Rear bumper isn't terrible. There's a crack right there, so we'll be fixing that. The OEM front bumper was completely hammered, so I ended up throwing that away, and we picked up a new OEM replacement bumper. Let's hope that one fits good. She does need quite a bit of body work before we actually slap down some paint. So I think the first thing I just want to mess around with, guys, is the DA sander. So everything that we're spraying that doesn't need a ton of work, for example, the entire hood, except for the edges right here, I'm going to be hitting with 600 grit on the DA sander. I picked this one up from Harbor Freight. Nice little palm sander. And then over here we have a ton of other stuff as well. So we got, let's see, we got some epoxy primer. That is for the bumper. We have our base coat, clear coat. We have some adhesion promoter. We did pick up some filler primer as well to make sure these edges are 100% perfect. Unfortunately, we are getting a very, very late start today, but I figured it's better late than never to get started on this bodywork. So I don't know how far we're actually gonna get. If we can get a ton of stuff sanded down and maybe like the hood straightened out and some body filler on there so it can dry for a little bit, or maybe even primed, that would be sick. I don't know if we're gonna get to primer today or not. The only things we really have to primer are the edges of the hood, epoxy, the new front bumper, and then maybe some epoxy on the rear bumper where we have to sand all the cracked paint off. Other than that though, we shouldn't need to prime anything because we're just kind of like scuffing it up. At least in my mind that makes sense. I don't know, I've never painted anything like this before, so I'm kind of just guessing as I go and doing research as I go. So if you ever see, I'm gonna say this right now, if you ever see anything that I'm doing that is stupid or doing wrong and you actually know what the hell you're doing, feel free to drop a comment down below because I could use the help. So yeah, let's just get started with the 600 grit on the DA and get a bunch of paint scuffed up. I know it has to be completely scuffed up in order to respray it, or else it's gonna flake and start peeling off eventually. So I'm gonna start with the hood and the hood scoop. The front bumper, we don't need a DA. We could just probably grab some red Scotch-Brite and scuff it up. Start with the hood, get this thing all sanded down. I don't think there's any dents we gotta fix, except for those two edges that are bent up. We got the whole hood DA'd with 600 grit and got these edges bent back down as well. So I think right now I'm gonna go ahead and fill them in with some body filler, get them shaped how I want it. Of course, we're gonna have to still primer, use some filler primer over the body filler to make them 100% perfect. Other than those two edges, this hood is in pretty good condition. There's a little rock chip right there I have to fill in. Maybe a few little ones down here as well. But yeah, not bad at all. Let's go ahead and slop some body filler on here, and while the body filler is drying, we can mess around with the hood scoop. We got the hood scoop all sanded down. I may have to prime it because I sanded through in so many different areas. Not exactly sure. I gotta do some research, talk to a few people, or one of you guys can drop a comment down below. All of our body filler is cured, hard, and ready to go, ready to be sanded. So let's bang that out. I know that wasn't the best application job in the world, but I am working with what I got. So let's see what we can do here. I think that is going to do the trick. I'm not really gonna know until I actually paint it to see if I did it right or not, or at least get a little bit of primer on it. Let's go ahead and finish up this hood, just get this thing 100% ready for paint, or at least primer. There is some rock chips up front, which I think you're gonna be able to see those. So I may just prime the whole front of the hood and sand it smooth, just to fill in all these tiny, tiny little rock chips. I guess I don't really know. I may have to do some research on that before I actually lay the primer down, because maybe I could just sand them out, but then again, I don't want to sand all the way to the bare aluminum. All right, so I talked to my brother Austin, who knows a lot more about painting than I do, and he said to grab some finishing putty for these little tiny rock chips that you guys see. Other than that, the hood should be 100% ready to go. I'm gonna let that drip dry for a while, and we can move on to, kind of want to start messing around with the wing right now. So all this has to be sanded down. It's so freaking faded. It's insane how faded this thing is. So yeah, let's pull off. Actually, no, I'll probably do a lot of sanding while the wing is still on the car. Try to get a ton of this crap sanded off. Wing should be pretty easy to bust out. So here is everything that we got finished up so far. The hood, the wing, we had to completely take apart the wing and pull it off the car to get it sanded properly, and the hood scoop. So on all these panels, I'm really just trying to get the gloss off of the paint. So you see how it's so glossy right there. We definitely need to sand that a little bit more before throwing any sort of paint on this. There's a few things that we really need to figure out before kind of moving on with this project. We can still stay on the rear bumper and that roof vein, but I need to figure out if we can just paint straight over the current condition on the wing and the hood scoop, because both of those are down to bare plastic in some places, not a ton of places, but I got to figure that out. I want to do this right and then figure out 100% sure on what to do with these little rock chips on the hood. Here's how the car is currently sitting. No front bumper, no hood, no wing. We need to get this thing completely torn down, or I guess all the parts off of it that we need to paint. On Tuesday morning, this car is going to PDR. PDR is painting the STi repair, and they're going to pull out all of the dents on this car. Here's a good example right here of a dent they're going to pull out. There's probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 decent sized dents, about that size right there. And then probably like 20 door dings that we need to get pulled out. So bright and early tomorrow, we can pull off this roof vein and the rear bumper, and this thing should be ready to go to PDR. Hopefully by the time it comes back, we can have all of the other panels sprayed for it. And as soon as it comes back in the shop, we can throw all the panels on, and we can move on to doing a paint correction. The paint on this car is extremely bad. Like, it needs such a bad buff. There's so many swirls, so many scratches, so much oxidation. I'm really excited to get this thing up in tip-top condition so we can move on to modding it out. Y'all know we can't keep cars stock around here forever. Hopefully pretty soon here we can get this thing 100% body-wise, and then get some new wheels on it, some suspension, just make it look dope, make it fun. Honestly, this car is still so new to the channel. I don't have an exact idea of what we want to do to it yet, like what path we want to go down. I know my old STi was on air ride. I don't think I'm gonna do air ride on this car, but I don't know. I guess we'll see. I think it is finally time to bust out the bike though, guys. We ceramic coated this bike like 4 days ago, and it's just been sitting in the shop. It's been raining a ton, but if you look outside right now, it is absolutely beautiful, and it's gonna be nice tomorrow morning as well. So I'm gonna ride this thing tonight, get some miles on it, enjoy it, because summer is coming, and we gotta make sure all the bugs are shaken out of it. Make sure none of the fairings that we installed fly off when we hit the highway. What are you doing?
Organizing the fridge. Do we go on a ride?
You wanna?
Really clunky.
What'd you figure out?
I want to go get something to eat.
I rode my bike for like, solid 45 minutes. Just a nice cruise on the back roads. And Bobby's hungry.
What a surprise. You don't tell them that.
Ow, my bum. My bum. Are we gonna get burgers and brew, or are we gonna get tacos and pizza?
I really wanted to go to the boiler room.
Problem with the boiler room is they burn their pizza. I don't like burnt pizza.
You can tell them no. Second option is Red Robin.
I like Red Robin, but are they open?
Hi, are you guys doing dine-in? Open till 11.
Who?
Applebee's. Let me try to figure out anywhere else, because I'm not really feeling it, you know?
How come you never know where you want to go? That's a Fuego sweater. Imagine this though, like nice with like a half wrapped logo. Ooh, I'm doing that.
I love it.
Bobby decided on Applebee's. We're gonna go get a burger for the boys. Maybe a brew for the boys.
What about me?
You can have a burger.
For?
The boys. Should we take the bike or the car?
Bike.
Putting my helmet on and getting the helmet off. And then there's this big hole in the top of my head from when my hood bonked me. It really hurts, Charlie. We made it to Applebee's, parked the bike, and we got all these little homies right here. Those things would be so freaking fun to ride. So I got a chicken bacon sandwich, and Bob got some chicken on a platter. Are you gonna eat your celery?
I don't like vegetables.
Can I have it?
Go ahead.
Did you have a good burger and brew?
Oh, I'm so full and tired. Should we go Taco Bell now?
You wanna go Taco Bell?
Well, you said we're gonna get pizza and tacos, so I thought burgers and tacos would be an option.
That's gonna be it for today, boys. Hope you enjoyed. See you tomorrow.